vamos a fijarnos en 90 minutos, no en el 96 y pico. Vamos a fijarnos en los 90 minutos de partido, vamos a analizar el 90. Es una pena que te metan el gol como nos han metido, pero son circunstancias del fútbol.
Jose Mendriba, the head coach of the Sevilla Football Club, here speaks after a draw result after a draw result against Juventus Football Club. As he is just saying that they played very well. They touched well the ball, and of course it was just one among of them a fascinating game as each side touched well the ball, and that was the great definition and the real definition of a football sport. And in fact, here Mendriba says they are now going back at home and they are going to prepare themselves ready for the revengeful match against Juventus Football Club, which is just one among of the best club, one among of the greatest club in the world. And here Mendriba says they have great responsibility to show the world that they are better in this tournament in the Europa League. Of course, Sevilla has so many Europa Leagues in the history of the establishment of that league in the world. Sevilla is just one among of the club which has so many titles of the Europa League, and now this season they have been fighting for the Europa League as they just want to win that title. In fact, here Mendriba speaks so many things about their next game, their revengeful